Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen dish drying racks that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Dish Drying Rack by SNTD is a versatile and efficient solution for drying your dishware in the kitchen. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this dish rack is not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen counter. Measuring at 13.6 inches in diameter, 19.7 inches in width, and 4.5 inches in height, this expandable dish rack provides ample space for drying your dishes, utensils, and other kitchen items. The white color adds a clean and modern look to your kitchen decor, blending seamlessly with any interior style. The countertop mount design makes it easy to set up and use, allowing you to keep your dishes organized and dry in no time. Weighing only 1.6 kilograms, this dish drying rack is lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring stability while holding your dishware. One of the standout features of this product is its expandable design, which allows you to adjust the size according to your needs. Whether you have a small batch of dishes or a large load to dry,
the Yamazaki Home Dish Rack is a high-quality kitchen accessory that combines functionality with sleek design. Made from durable steel, this dish rack offers a strong and sturdy solution for drying your dishes. With product dimensions of 13.19 inches in diameter, 18.5 inches in width, and 7.87 inches in height, it provides ample space for various dish sizes. The white color of this dish rack adds a clean and modern touch to any kitchen decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Manufactured by Yamazaki, a trusted brand known for its premium quality home products, you can trust in the reliability and durability of this dish rack. Designed specifically for use as a dish drainer, this rack is meant to be mounted over the sink, optimizing space in your kitchen. Despite its sturdy construction, the Yamazaki Home Dish Rack is surprisingly lightweight at just 4.1 pounds, making it easy to move and reposition as needed. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its weight limit.
This over-the-sink dish drying rack by Workham is a prime solution for organizing your kitchen space efficiently. Crafted from sturdy metal, this sleek rack measures 11.8 inches in depth, 32.3 inches in width, and stands at 31 inches high. The elegant matte black finish adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen setting. Designed for countertop mounting, this drying rack is not only durable with a weight capacity of 220 pounds, but also adjustable and space-saving. Its versatile nature allows for convenient use in various kitchen setups, making it an ideal choice for both storage and efficient drying of dishes. Whether you have limited kitchen space or simply want,
The KitchenAid large capacity, full-size, rust-resistant dish rack is a versatile and reliable solution for organizing and drying your kitchenware. Made from durable stainless steel, this dish rack offers both durability and a sleek appearance that complements any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 14.96 inches in depth, 20 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, the KitchenAid dish rack provides ample space for drying dishes, glasses, cutlery, and more. The gray color and adjustable features add to its functionality and versatility. Whether you prefer to place it on your sink or tabletop, this dish rack offers flexibility in terms of mounting options. With a weight limit of 25 pounds, you can trust that it is sturdy enough to accommodate a variety of kitchen items. Manufacturer Lifetime Brands Inc. has ensured that this KitchenAid dish rack meets high-quality standards, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Overall, the KitchenAid large capacity, full size.
the Aoni 2 Tier Dish Drying Rack by Carl Tufu is a versatile and practical kitchen accessory that enhances the dish drying process. With dimensions of 16.3D into 12W into 10.4H and a weight of 5.3 pounds, this rack provides ample space for drying dishware efficiently. The elegant black color of the rack adds a touch of modernity to any kitchen decor. Its countertop mount design ensures easy access and convenience. One standout feature is the removable cutlery basket, allowing for organized drying and storage of utensils. Whether you have a small kitchen or a spacious one, this dish drying rack is a valuable addition. The durable construction by Aoni guarantees long-term use, making it a reliable choice for daily dish cleaning routines. In conclusion,
The Aoni 2-tier dish drying rack offers functionality, style, and durability catering to households of all sizes. If you are looking for a sleek and efficient solution for drying your dishes, this product is worth considering.